Do y'all remember this show where I was working out and I was, I started with a workout and then I just turned it to straight dancing. So just take a minute and look. That was first of the injuries, but I didn't let that stop me. I kept going and going and going like I was an Energizer bunny. Just watch. Second confirmation that you are indeed old. You're at 62. In October of 2022, I was dancing around and I ended up pulling something in my leg. Well, long story short, when they did an x-ray, they seen something on my knee. And when they did, not something on my knee, something missing from my knee, which was the cartilage, which I've had arthroscopic surgery about 15 years ago or so. And when I did, it helped and it's lasted. But when they looked at it this last time, he said, there is nothing in between there. So you are bone on bone. You may not be ready right now, but when you are, call me, let me know, and we'll go ahead and get you into a specialist, blah, 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 blah. In the middle of the night and weeks had passed and I was still having problems. Tylenol is not helping anymore and nobody would give me anything stronger, so it's time to do something different. Knee replacement. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm scary. I should know that this is a major surgery and I'm going to be down for a while. I wasn't contemplating any of that stuff, but reality hit and y'all better know. I'm going to keep you apprised of everything I'm doing. So I got my hair braided. Everything is all good. The girl actually came to the house and she got my hair braided. I didn't realize she was using as much hair as she did, but we'll talk about that on another day. But it's also going to be my anniversary tomorrow, which is November 30th. And I didn't plan this real good. But we're going to do like we always do. We're going to make it work. We went to Longhorn Steakhouse. We had a nice steak. And we came back home. I put on, it's our anniversary, and we were supposed to have a little toast and say a little prayer and whatever else. But we haven't done any of that yet. He's outside on the phone, I believe. So I'm going to go grab him so we can try to enjoy the rest of our evening and get ready for this darn surgery tomorrow. So I got him inside and let's see what he can do. Child, he is not a dancer, nor a prancer, but I do it all. I like to dance, sing, and do everything else in between. Got a chance to say a good prayer and ask the Lord for as many blessings as he can bestow upon us for tomorrow, as well as throughout the rest of this marriage life. And I know he'll be there for us. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Letycia. Today, I am on my way to my knee replacement surgery. My left knee is going to be replaced, and I'm going to be giving y'all the updates play by play. I can't do it while I'm in surgery, of course, but I'm on my way. My surgery, I'm supposed to be there at 9, and my surgery is at 11. So my heart is beating like off the wall, but whichever way it is, the Lord is going to bless and I'm going to come out okay, and I already know that. And sometimes we forget, but that's what we have family for. That's what we have a study partner for. And that's what we have a mate for. They remind us that God has not left us and he will not. He will not. And the thing is to put your trust in him. And my cousin said it the best. He said, it's not the battle, but we have peace in the storm. I want to have peace within this storm. I want God to bless me and touch my knee and heal it as quickly as possible. I have to take these opiates, and I'm afraid of that too. So y'all just keep me in your prayers. I love y'all. We ready? Set? Okay. Here. Connor's me. Can I wait on my husband? He should be coming around the corner somewhere. Let me call him. Hey y'all, I am in the hospital. We're in recovery. I am hooked up to whatever you see up in here. Not very much. This is my knee. And come in. They actually had me up and moving around on the same day of the surgery. Me and my bubbies in the room. Oh, give me that thing, because they already called me and asked me that I want some for dinner.
They did?
So let's see what you want. I've been here since 9 this morning. I've had lunch or supper, whatever you want to call it. And yes, it was early. Anyway, bye. This is fine. I'm doing good. Thank God. I've been afraid. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Living Life with Letycia. I'm at home and getting ready to eat some dinner, lunch. I bought rotisserie chicken, stuff to make salad with, but he ain't gonna give me the right salad. Just gonna have one thing the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so I am on day 3 from my surgery. And I got it elevated, ice on it. I had a nurse visit yesterday, Saturday. And then I have a physical therapist that will come tomorrow, starting tomorrow, for several visits. And the nurse will have several visits. So, if y'all an update. So again, last night was a little rough going. I had, things was going on. And the pain, the pain. And it's not as worse as it could be. So I am grateful for that. Hold on. Let me look at this play. Y'all see it? Yeah, did you see it? They said he got it. So bad. I am surviving, and I will be up breakdancing as soon as possible. Back to my normal routines, I hope, because it's going better than what I thought. So God is blessing me, and not as much pain as I believe I could be in. Bless his heart, I have worn him out. Between give me some ice, bring me something to drink, fix me something to eat. On day 4 of my surgery, or from my surgery. Total knee replacement, that's it. And I had the physical therapist, she came out today. They are from this place here. Community Home Health. And the girl was really nice. So this is kind of a neat treatment, I guess. I like that they come to you, because it is hard to get up and move around with with this knee surgery. So it's the best thing. I have to keep my leg elevated. This bed I haven't had very much use for the motion base. I mean, I've used it before, but it's not, it's not to something that I would have, because I thought it was going to be different. But anyway, base is helping. God is definitely blessing me. My helper, on the other hand, we come into some little bumps and snares here lately, here and every once and again. But I tell you what, I'm going to do my part. I'm going to try to be more gracious and more thankfulness. And maybe that'll help. I don't know. So we will talk to you later. I hope y'all be blessed and be a blessing. Deuces. Bye. I'll show you how I'm going to leave.